cooking. I'm about to make some, I don't know if it's Alfredo or fettuccine, either way it goes, one of them. I really don't know the difference. What the fuck is the difference? Because they both white sauce. Anyways, and some fried chicken. My pasta noodle water is ready, so I can throw my pasta noodles in. Okay, I'm using penne, whatever. How many pounds is this? 1 pound? Is that enough? I hope that's enough. While the pasta noodles boil, I'm about to turn my skillet on for chicken. Parmesan, just a little bit because I don't really like Parmesan.
That's a lot. Mama, you said a little bit.
A little bit of Parmesan. Mind your business. Acting like you know how to cook.
I know.
You don't know.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. What is that?
The pasta is done. The chicken is also done. Are you ready to eat? Using paper plates today, y'all, because I don't want to wash no dish.
I want to wash some dishes.
And that's just what it is.
No, I don't want mac and cheese.
This isn't mac and cheese. It's Alfredo, chicken Alfredo.
Oh, we used to have that, remember?
That's a good.
Yeah, I don't want a lot.
That's what it is. Boom. That's for Giselle. All right, hopefully it's good.
Hopefully it's good.
The chicken is hot.
I brought more.
Your tooth? Your gums?
No, my tooth.
We're good together.
It's hot. It's hot as heck.
It is hot as hell.
I said heck.
All right.
We're about to go on live. Bye.
Bye. No, we not.